Hey guys, it's Pure. How are you all doing? I hope you're doing good. What we're going to do today, my friends, is we're going to unbox some earphones that I got from Amazon. I think you might know them because they're really popular. So let's go ahead with that. Ooh. Right, those are the Jaybirds. We don't need these. This box, throw it away. Right, so these are the Jaybird X3. And what they are Bluetooth earphones. Pretty sick, huh? Look at the packaging. Damn! Look at that. Wireless. Pretty dope as hell if you can see it in the... And let me focus it for you. Nobody really cares about the back stuff, but just seeing what you're getting. And you get an app with it to, you know, modify the earphones to whatever sound you prefer. Damn, I'm really proud I got the Sparta edition, which is basically the white and gold. There is another one, well there's a couple of colours, green and black I believe, and then there's a all black one with a, well, it's just all black and white I believe. And yeah, but this one for me, it suits me. I like the Spartan colour. Right, so let's unbox this bad boy. How do we do that? Do we pull this bit? Oh, look at that. That's nice. Just look at the packaging here. You can see. I'll zoom out for you guys for a sec. A little bit more, if you can see that. Damn. Yep, it's really nice packaging for it. I mean, I'm proud of them. You get those fins, as you can see, just about here, just about there. And it's just like for grip, so it doesn't fall out your ears. So I think it's pretty cool. And then you got your thing to increase this volume and that stuff, which I think is going to be awesome. Right, let's see if we can open this. Aha! Sellotape. Right. Well, I bought a knife for killing somebody, or actually just open this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open it. If it's going to open. Don't try this at home, folks, because, well, I don't want to get the blame for it. Yeah. Okay, so we got that bit off. Let's see. Ooh. Let's try and just take it out of the socket. Right. Steel. Now these are very small, but they have some really great sound in them. As you can see in my hands, they're pretty dope. Love the colour as well. I'd like to mention that again. Then we've got the volume pause, and you can do a lot of features with this, as this is a Bluetooth headset. And I don't know what those are, but I just think it looks cool for design. Anyway, that's that. Let's see. Let's put these to the side and see what else we've got here. Big piece of board. Okay. Then we have got the, if you can see, it says it's got the Jaybird logo on it. Yep. Okay. What we've got in here. Right, so what we've got is the charging port for it. Right, that looks nice, doesn't it? Well, it's just a cable anyway, so take what we get. What is in here? Okay, so there's some earphone pieces just to, you know, change the size of them. Yeah, so you got a couple of them to fit your ears, which are pretty dope. So they really thought of every single person's ear in this situation. We've got more thin tips in there to, yeah, obviously fit your preferences. what else have we got, my friends? Ah, and I believe these are to clip on, so you can adjust your Jaybirds accordingly, so it doesn't tangle up on the, because it's gonna go on the back of your ears, so it doesn't tangle up as much and it fits quite tightly. Okay, got that. Really like the pouch, it's really nice, that. Better than Sennheiser's stuff, but yeah. See, and then we've got some more ear tips. I think these are more hard, a little bit more, as in they're not going to break, but they might break bloody ears because they are quite hard. Yeah, I guess that's enough for the packaging. There's nothing really left, just the instruction manuals. Pretty sweet unboxing experience. I love the box. I don't know why, it just looks so nice. But yeah, that's about it for the Jaybirds. Now I'm just going to be testing them out and see how much they live up to their hype. And yeah, so if you like this video, give it a huge like, and if you want to comment below and subscribe, and there will be more videos to come in the future. Thank you, my friends. Bye bye.